What do you think, Monica? What's that noise?
I think it's removing a plant from a flower pot.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, it's everywhere on the floor.
It's gonna know something happened here. Put it back.
Oh crap. What do we do with all this?
I just pour it on the floor. He's not going to look down.
Oh. Oh.
He's now.
Oh, this is autograph.
Lots of fun. Don't do it. Beagle has my.
Oh, the other boss is coming.
Oh, the other boss is coming. We had to hide behind the door. It is removing a pot. Congratulations. You are a winner. Finally.
I cannot believe it. I cannot believe this. My stomach is in knots.
It's taken us, how long you think, Denise?
Oh my god, a long while. I could pull up the exact date, but we've been doing this for a long time.
Hangout Fest sold out in minutes.
Sold out, by the way.
And not only that,
God.
we can't send you to Hangout Fest without a place to stay, so we got you a condo for the entire weekend so you can live a great story. Big thanks to Brett Robinson Vacation Rentals. Monica, congratulations.
Oh, my God. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I listen to you all the time.
Tomorrow, we got a trip to Bonnaroo Fest.
Yes, and sold out to Bonnaroo Music and Arts Festival June 11th through 14th in Manchester, Tennessee. You're going to receive 2 VIP tickets with VIP car camping and pit viewing for 1 headliner as well. But brand new, What's That Noise?
It's going to be awesome.
Tomorrow morning.
Your first chance at guesses at 6:10 and then again at 9:10. Brand new noise. Wake up with us here on PK in the morning so you too can live a great story.